Voice is audible to you, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So good afternoon, all of
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, all of you. So let us start with the basic charts in Power BI. Okay. If you missed the yesterday's class, so in that case, you can go in the YouTube channel and there it is uploaded already. Okay. If you want, I can send you the link of that particular um, video. Wait a second. This is the video link regarding the installation part and a few of things related to how to make charts and all. Okay. And there were two videos. I will send both of them to you. So, yeah. Okay. So go through these two links. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. Okay, so let us start with today's session. And I'm going to tell you something about, some basic charts in Power BI. All right. And let me share the screen. So the screen is visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now from the get data, you can actually take the data. Like you can use the drop down or you can simply click the icon or you can use this link in the field also. Okay. In field also there is, you can see get data option is there. And if you want to actually take the Excel workbook as a source, so you can choose this two option also. There are two other options too. You can choose anyone. So I will choose this particular option. Okay. And I will take a data set like which one we should take. Wait. Yeah. I'm taking the data set of Zomato. Okay. And this is the visualization pane where you can see different charts which we can use. And Power BI Desktop is actually a free version of Power BI, which anybody can use without signing in also. Okay. So since it is a clean data, I will simply load it. Okay. No need to clean it. If you want to clean it, you can go to transform, but it is already a clean data. So I will simply go to load it. Okay. So since it is an Excel data, it will be data will be in the form of sheet 1, sheet 2 like that. So in that case, actually it was in sheet 1. That's why the name is so. If you want to change the name, you can rename it also. Before that, yeah, what you want to ask? Any doubts? Okay. So this is the name of the data set. Okay. And when you will click on the drop down, you can see different columns over there. Okay. And there are 3 dots. You can actually rename it. I will rename it as Zomato because it is a Zomato data. Okay. So let us check that what is the data set actually, how the structure is. So let us go through this. Actually, before that, I want to tell you there are 3 views in Power BI. Interviewer may ask you a question when you are attending an interview. This is actually the report view. When I'm moving my cursor over there, you can see report. This is data view. You can see data over there. And this is model view. Okay. In report view, you can make some dashboards and reports with the help of combination of different charts and other entities. And in data view, you can see the entire data set. If multiple tables are there, here the multiple table names will come. You can choose them and check out the data set one by one. And in model view, it will show you the different columns that is actually taken. Since only one column is taken. Yes, you are audible. Any doubts?
Ma'am, here we want to upload that, right?
What
Hello?
you want? Yes.
Like we want to upload this data.
You
Then
want
after
to?
we will make yes.
Yes,
Like I'm asking.
you should first upload the data set in Power BI. Okay. And then you can do the visualization with the help of the variables available in that data set, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? Yeah, welcome.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is your model view where you can, where if multiple tables are there, you can see multiple tables also. And if there is some connection between them, that will automatically come, or you can manually create it also. Okay. That I will tell you in data modeling. So let us move on to the data view. I want to request people, those who are not having any doubt, please mute your mic. It is disturbing the class. Otherwise, I will mute it. That is better. Yeah. Okay. So this is the, you can see names of different restaurants are given. Okay. And this online order will show you that whether that particular restaurant is having the facility of online order or not. Okay. Then the second thing is book table. That is, it will show you that whether booking a table, that particular kind of facility is there or not. See, in all the column header, there are some drop down. Okay. When you will click on the drop down, you can see the unique entities within it. What are the unique names within it? Okay. Whichever entities are getting repeated, that also will be shown as a single entity. In case of online order, only two options are there, yes and no. It will show you only two options, no, yes, right? Because either the facility will be there or not, that's it. And in case of book table also same way, no and yes. Okay. Actually, it is in alphabetic order. First no will come, then yes will come, okay? And why? Then regarding rating, it is a numerical column and it ranges from 0 to 4.9. The maximum rating is usually 5, right? When you will go through any of the e-commerce website or any of other websites, you can see maximum rating that we can give to a particular product is 5, right? The same way here also maximum rating applicable is 5, and and in this case it ranges from 0 to 4.9. Okay. And when you will click the drop down regarding votes, you can see it ranges from 0 to 1065. Okay. And regarding location, at which place this particular restaurants are located. So when you will click the drop down, you can see it, they are, I mean, these many restaurants are there, BTM, Church Street. Okay. These many locations are there, sorry. And this is type actually. The last column is regarding type. It broadly shows you that how many types of restaurants are there. And this rest type is actually a subcategory of it. Like for the same, for a particular broad category, it will show you different types of it. Okay. Like here, if pubs and bars is there. Okay. So in this case, you can see, in this case, you can see bar, bar cafe, bar, casual dining. This whole thing comes under pubs and bars only. Like that, many different subcategories are there. And regarding cuisines we all know that is regarding the types of dishes, right? Like South Indian, North Indian, Chinese, Italian, like that. Okay, so different types of cuisines are actually mentioned there. Hyderabadi, okay, that's it. And next thing is regarding cost. Like when two people are going to visit that particular place or restaurant, so what is the average cost of their food, like that? So it ranges from 40 to 6,000. Okay. So that's it. That's it all about the data set. So let us do some visualization and all with the help of basic charts. Okay, so I request all of you, when you will submit a task, prepare a perfect dashboard. Okay, don't put your charts here and there and send it. You should prepare a perfect dashboard. So go through the videos, YouTube videos and all, and check out how you can make dashboards. Here I will tell you how to make visuals and all, because that is the technical thing. Like making dashboards, that are some beautification process that you can do by your own. Okay. So let us take a simple bar chart I am taking. Okay, this is a simple bar chart. And if I want to know that that what is, location wise, what is the cost? So in that case, I should put location in the x-axis. Names of location will come in x-axis, and cost I am putting it in y-axis. Okay. So corresponding to different location, it is giving me cost. Okay, what is the total cost, like that? Right? So this is cost. If you want to change the variable to something else, like if you want rating, what is the average rating of different locations? So you have to put the rating column in y-axis, but it will give you what is the rating of BTM. It is 7,610. But we all know that maximum rating applied is 5 only, right? We can scroll it also like this, okay? And we can see the entire thing. Here the maximum rating applied is 5 only, but it is showing us 7,610. So that means actually it is taking the sum. When you will click the drop down, when you will click the drop down corresponding to this y-axis, you can see by default sum is taken. But we should take average only, then only we will get within 5. Okay. So take the average. When you will take the average, you can see everything got changed. Okay, this particular thing that is having the highest rating, this particular location which is having the highest rating, that is St. Mark's Road is having the rating of 4.10. So this is the actual way you should deal with rating. Is that clear, all of you? In case of rating, never take sum, always take the average.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And if you are taking cost, if you are taking sum, for example, if you are taking sum, then it is showing you that BTM is having the highest rating, right? Why? Because I will tell you, actually BTM is having the highest number of restaurants. Okay. I will take a tree map. This is called the tree map. Okay. And I will take the tree map. I will put the location in category, and I will put the location in values also, so that it will show me that how many times. Yeah, here you can see BTM is having the highest number of restaurants. Okay, if you want the number of restaurants to be shown over there, so in that case you can put the location in details. Okay, and you can take the wait. I'll remove it from there. Okay. Okay, so restaurants detail, yeah. Here I'm putting it like this, okay, and right click. Yeah, it is not necessary. When you will move your tooltip over there, you can see how many times it is repeated. It is 2,484 times repeated. Okay. Now, if you want this particular count to be over there, so in that case, you should go to this format and you should put the data labels on. When you will put the data labels on, it is showing you the values corresponding to different locations. So BTM is having the highest number of restaurants. Okay. You understood my point? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, why BTM is having the highest number of location? Because in this particular column, the number of times BTM is getting repeated will show you how many restaurants are there in that particular location. Okay, that is the logic which is used over here. So actually BTM, this location is having the highest number of restaurant, that is 2,484 restaurants are over there. That's why it is showing the highest rating. But this is not the way we should do it. Always we should take the average so that we can get the appropriate thing. Okay, here also if you want to put the labels like what is the value of this particular column, when we are moving the cursor over there, then only we are able to see it as 7,610.6. But if we want the value at the top of this bar, so in that case you should go to general, you should go to visual, and there is an option called data labels. When you will put it on, now you can see the rounded value of different bars shown over there. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as I already told you, you should never take the sum. So again, go over there and take the average of it. This is actually adding data to the visual, this option, and this is regarding formatting. Okay, so you again, you right click over there and take the average. That would be better. That is the correct way. Okay, now everything is within 5 only. So now if you want to do some beautification in this particular thing, if you want to increase the size of this numbers and this words and all, so in that case, you should select the particular graph which you want to alter, go to format, and there in there you have to write size so that you can and change the size of all things. Okay, regarding x-axis in values, you can see size you can change. Regarding x-axis values means these words. Okay, what are the location names? When you will change the value corresponding to it, you can see they're getting bigger. Okay, they are more visible right now, right? And if you want to make it bold, italic, whatever you want, you can do that. Okay. And the location that is mentioned over here, that is actually can be changed in title. Okay. You can change the title size like this. Sorry. Okay. And in the font also, you can change the font size to something else like this. Okay. You can change, you can make it bold, italic, and even you can change the color also. Okay, that I will tell you later. First of all, let us change the size of each and everything. Regarding y-axis, in y drop down, there is value. You can change the value like this. Whichever values are there, 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever, you can change it. You can make it bold, it, and whatever changes you want. And this is the title. Average rating is the title of y-axis. So in order to increase its size, you can simply increase the font size like this. Okay. Okay. This is regarding data labels. That is the values which is written over the bar. Okay. When you're making it off, that will disappear. And when you're making it on, it will appear again. And here also, if you want to change the size of those particular bar, you can do that. Okay. And regarding the title, okay, that also you can change. Okay, this is how you can change the title, right? And this is the tooltip. When I'm moving my cursor over there, the black thing that is coming is called tooltip. If you want to change the size of this, that is also possible. Okay, in tooltip, you can see text is there. Okay, I have increased it to 20s, 21, 20. 20 is okay. Now when I'm moving my cursor over there, okay, it is showing me big tooltip because I have changed the size over there. Okay, so this is how you can change the size of different things within a particular graph. Okay, now I'm deleting this size option, whatever is there. I'm simply going to this x-axis, and here in the drop down, you can see values. Like this also, you can change the size. Okay, this is how you can change the size. In title, you can see here also same thing is there. Here you can change the color too. Okay, I'm taking red color. So the title color of this axis got changed, and regarding y axis also same way we can do it. Okay. If you want to change the color of these values, that also is possible. You have to simply go to this and change it like this. Okay. Since black is all okay, so I'm going with it. Regarding title here also, I'm taking the color as red. Okay. If you're looking it for the first time, then it will be somewhat a confusion for you. So go through this video again. I will upload it in the YouTube channel of Yoshops. Okay. Now next thing is regarding grid lines. You can see small dotted things are over there. Okay. In horizontal. So that is actually called grid line. If it is not that much visible and if you want to make it visible, so in that case, go to grid lines, and in horizontal dotted is the style. You can take solid also. So it will completely look like a line, and you can change the color of this thing to black. So it will show you grid lines like this. Okay, if you want to change it to some other style like dotted or dashed, whichever you want, you can take that. Okay, dashed also you can take. 3 options are there. Right? And now regarding zoom slider, sorry, you can make it on so that you can zoom in the entire graph. Okay, when you will move your cursor over there, you can drag it like this and you can see the minute changes also. Okay. Now, how to change the colors of different column? In that case, you have to take columns. Okay. In columns, by default, everything is blue in color. So you should make this show on to be on so that you can see the color of each and every options that is there in the x-axis. Okay. Regarding Saint Mark, if you want to make the color to black, you can do that. Okay. Now it is black in color. Regarding label road, if you want it in red color, you can, or you can make some other color also, which is not in this color palette. Okay, you can go to more color, and you can take any color that is okay for you. Okay, you can create your own colors, whichever you want. Right? So this is how you can explore different colors as per your wish. Okay. So there are a lot of options. You can try out them by your own. Is it clear, all of you, how to change the color of different columns?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So that is regarding columns. Now data labels, as you all know, we have already made it on. Okay. When you will click on the drop down, if you want to do some changes, you can do that. Okay. And that's it. One more thing was left. Okay. So regarding the plot area, this is the plot area. Okay. If you want to put some images over there or you want to do something, that also you can do. There is an option called browse. Okay. When you will choose browse, you can put some images over there. Like, okay, if you want to put Zomato image over there, you can take that. Okay, now Zomato is there in the background, but it is not showing that good. So we will take some other I mean, particular chart, and we will check that thing in a particular graph. Okay. Right. Now, in general, also you can explore different things. Like if you, right now, there is no boundaries for it. Okay. And there is no effect also. Okay. So if you have not chosen the any of the visual, you can make some changes in the entire dashboard. Okay. So you can go to format, and there in the canvas background, you can put some images or color that you want. Okay, I can put some image, like any image I can put. Some landscape image would be better. Okay, we will take this particular background image, okay, and I will make it open. So it is not showing me anything. Why? Because transparency is 100%. When you will decrease the transparency, you can see the change over there. Okay, like this. So it is actually showing a part of it. When you will make this image fit, you can see the change over there. Okay. And here, so we got a particular background image right now. Okay. And that is regarding canvas setting. Okay. Canvas background. You can put some setting also, which particular, ratio you want, vertical alignment, everything you can decide by your own. Okay. Now regarding this particular visual, if you want to make the background to be shown in the visual, if you want to make the background of this particular image to be gone, so in that case, go to format, and in general, many properties are there. You can check them. Like in case of title, you can do some changes. You can put the alignment on. You can make it in middle also. Okay. Those changes you please check out. And most important thing is regarding effects. Okay. If you want to make the background, should not be white in color, it should be merged with the background of the canvas. You make the background off like this. Okay, now it is looking like a part of it, right? And if you want to put the visual border for it, you will make it on, then it will show you some border black in color. If you want to change the color of that background, that is also possible. Okay, just select the visual. Oh. Sorry. Okay. So just select your visual. Oh, I have selected it over there. Okay. You have to just select the visual, go to format, and then in the general, in effects, you can make the visual border on for this particular visual. You can make the visual border on, and you can put some rounded corner also so that it will look good. Okay. Now the border is having rounded corner. Okay. Go to format, and in general, effects. If you want to make the background on, that also you can do like this. Okay. And if you want to make it off, and later you can change the color of this font and also that it will look good in the image. If you want to put some shadow for it, that also is possible. It will provide some shadow. Since the background color is dark, so that's why shadow is not coming. But when it is light, and at that particular time, it will show you the shadow. Okay, we will check out whether some particular other kind of, background is there, then we will take that one too. It's not showing. Okay, I will, you can take some background from Google or freepic.com also. Okay. We have only few minutes left. Okay. I will try to finish as soon as far as possible. And if we are stuck in middle, you please again join the meeting so that I can complete the later things. Okay. So let us take a some background image. And here you should mention it as free so that you will get copyright free images for free. Okay, I'm trying to take a simple background. Okay, this will look good. Oh, it is. Or we can take Canva also. Canva also is okay. You can create a free account in Canva and there you can download some images and all. Okay, I'm taking this particular thing. Okay, this is looking better. Yeah. Whichever is your taste, you can choose accordingly. So I will download it. This is not part of Power BI, right? I'm simply trying to download a background so that I can put it in Power BI. Okay, now let us browse and let us take this particular image and it will come over there. You have to make it fit so that it is appearing in the entire screen. Now it is coming, right? And here also you can see it is looking like it is within that particular desktop itself. You can make it small also. Now you can see the shadow over there. So this is how you can do some beautification while making the dashboard. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, everyone? It is looking like it is, um, it is projecting out of the dashboard like that. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This meeting is not for batch 21, Ashish Sahu. It is basic meeting for all those who have not attended earlier or those who are very new to it. There was a person, Ashish, who have mentioned the thing in the chat. That's why I have answered it. Okay. So this is how you can go with it. Okay. You can try out some more charts like pie chart. Okay. I will take donut chart. People usually prefer donut chart compared to pie chart. So I will take legend in type. Type in legend. Type means what are the broad categories of the restaurants like cafe, delivery, dine out, like that. Okay. And if you want to see the rating of those, put rating in values. Okay. Or better than rating, you can go for cost also. Cost would be better. Okay. So it is showing you cost of different particular categories. Okay. In which dine out is actually leading. Dine out, then delivery, like that. So it is showing you a thing. And if you want to do some alteration regarding it, that also you can do. Go to format. Legend means this, okay? And values are, values means numerical value. Okay, I will show you once again. Legend means type. So type, whatever category is related to type is coming over here. Cost means numerical value corresponding to different type. So that's why it is showing so. Okay, now go to format, and in format, in legend, you can put some changes. Like legend is at the center right. You can change the position of it to left also, like this. Okay, whichever position you want, you can put it. Like bottom center also you can use. Anything that is okay for you, you can choose that one. Okay, I will choose the center left. Okay. Now, regarding the text, if you want to increase the size of the text, you can do that like this. Okay, so it is looking very big. Okay, or you can decrease the size if it is not okay for you. Okay, depends upon your dashboard and all. If you want to make it bold, italic, that all thing you can do. You can change the color of them too. Okay, and this is the title. Type is the title regarding it. Okay, if you want to make the title on, you can put it on. Otherwise, you can make it off also. And regarding title, also many options are there. Okay, when you will make it on, you can change the title of this. Change the text regarding the title. I'm keeping it off only. It is not required actually. And regarding the slices, if you want to change the color of slices, go to slices, and there you can simply change the colors. Okay, I'm making this dine out to be black, delivery to be red. Okay, and drink and nightlife to be blue, and desserts to be gray. Like that, whatever changes is okay for you, you can go with it. Okay, whichever color is okay for you, you can choose that one. So this is how donut chart is. And regarding detail labels, it is already on. Whatever things are there written in the corresponding to the slices, that is called detail label. When you will make it off, it will go. So it will not convey any information. So always keep it on. And if you want to rotate it, that also is possible. Just you can rotate it to any degree that you want. Okay. So that is regarding pie chart. Donut chart. You can make it as pie chart also. Go to visual, and since you have already I am selecting this particular visual, and if I don't like this donut chart, I can convert it into pie chart by simply clicking it like this. Is it clear, all of you? You have to simply click any visual that is okay for you. Then it will be converted accordingly. Clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so similarly, you can check out for the funnel chart also. This is called funnel chart. Top value, highest value will be at the top and lowest value will be at the bottom. Right? This is called funnel chart. So you can try out other charts also, like line chart is there. Okay, area chart is there. Right? Many charts are there. You can try out them one by one. According to your, flexibility and all, you can choose them one by one. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you regarding maps. Okay, so this is map. I want to tell you a small thing also, since we have very less time left. You please join the session once again after it is getting ended, because the Zoom meeting limit is only 40 minutes. So we can't help it out. So you please join once again if the meeting will get, if somehow I'm in the middle. So you please join it once again. Okay. So this is map. Okay. And in map, we will actually put some locations, right? We are only having one variable regarding location. I'm putting this location over location, and I'm putting this location in legend. Okay. When it is not in legend, it is simply showing you what are the location where it is simply showing you some locations like BTM road and all. That location is actually shown in the map. When I will put the location in legend, it will show me in colors, because different location will be shown with different colors in the legend. Okay. And if I want it to be shown according to the ratings, okay, I'm putting the rating in bubble size. So whichever place is having the highest rating, it will show accordingly. I will take average. That would be better. Yeah. So some bubbles are small in size, some are large in size, depending upon the rating. Okay. Or you can put any other numerical value, like cost also you can put. Okay. So it will show, small bubble will show you small value, and large bubble will show you large value. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You please